Welcome to Highway Herald, your roadmap to the latest in auto. You might think EVs are the future of cost-effective driving with their fewer moving parts and no need for oil changes. But here's a harsh reality. EV repair costs can be astronomical. Despite their sleek, silent drive and touted simplicity, the complexity of repairs, specialized parts, and limited mechanic expertise can lead to sky-high bills. In this video, we unveil the surprising ways EV repair costs can soar, challenging the notion that electric vehicles are cheaper to maintain. Number 6. The skyrocketing costs of EV repairs. Electric vehicles are often celebrated for their simplicity and efficiency. With fewer moving parts than traditional combustion engines, they promise a more straightforward and maintenance-free experience. However, this reputation for simplicity can be misleading when it comes to repairs. When an EV takes a hit, the repair costs can hit you like a ton of bricks. Unlike your standard vehicle, fixing an EV isn't as simple as a quick visit to the local garage. Instead, you're looking at a potential financial catastrophe. According to the Wall Street Journal, repair bills for EVs can resemble a down payment on a house. Why? Because EVs are technological marvels packed with complex components that require specialized parts. Finding a mechanic who can handle these intricate repairs is like searching for a needle in a haystack. Traditional mechanics are often stumped by the intricacies of EVs. You need a technician who not only understands the nuances of these vehicles, but also has the skill set to match. This shortage of qualified repair professionals means you might face long wait times and high repair costs. While your EV is in the shop, you'll be stuck with a rental car, watching your wallet shrink as the repair bill grows. Number 5. The burden of insurance premiums. If you thought sky-high repair costs were the worst part of owning an EV, think again. Insuring these advanced vehicles isn't a bargain either. The steep repair bills for EVs contribute to higher insurance premiums because these vehicles are seen as riskier investments by insurers. The complexity and high costs of EV repairs translate into increased premiums for owners. On average, EV drivers pay about $357 per month for insurance, compared to around $248 for gas vehicle owners. This discrepancy highlights a hefty premium for owning a car that's supposed to be cheaper to maintain. The reason? Insurance companies factor in the costly and complex repair process that comes with EVs. When an EV is in an accident, repairing it involves specialized parts, fewer repair shops, and intricate systems, all of which drive up costs. Insurers adjust their premiums to cover these potential expenses, making your monthly insurance payment a constant reminder of the financial implications of EV ownership. So, while the world buzzes about the benefits of electric driving, don't forget to account for the significant insurance costs that accompany it. In the world of EVs, the bills keep adding up. Number 4. The costly reality of battery replacement. Let's delve into the Achilles heel of electric vehicles, the battery. While EVs are celebrated for their cutting-edge technology, their batteries often present a Pandora's box of complications and costs. These batteries aren't simple units. They consist of thousands of individual lithium cells along with complex battery management systems and cooling mechanisms. This intricate assembly means that even minor damage can lead to a costly repair ordeal. When a battery suffers damage, fixing it isn't straightforward. You might need to dismantle the entire battery to assess the damage, and often, replacing the whole battery is the only viable option. The replacement process is not only expensive, but also environmentally challenging due to the rare earth metals involved. The cost of a new EV battery can easily exceed the car's value. For example, some replacements run into tens of thousands of dollars, sometimes leading insurance companies to write off the vehicle as a total loss. A seemingly minor issue can result in a car being deemed a total loss, underscoring the significant financial risk associated with EV batteries. Before we delve deeper, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe to Highway Herald. Your support fuels our passion to create more content like this. Now let's explore number 3, unexpected costs of EV software updates. While over-the-air, or OTA, updates are often celebrated for their convenience and ability to enhance vehicle performance, they come with hidden risks that can lead to costly repairs. Take Tesla, for instance. Known for its frequent OTA updates, Tesla vehicles benefit from ongoing software improvements. However, these updates can sometimes lead to unforeseen problems, such as reduced battery performance, system glitches, or other malfunctions. Such issues might not be covered by warranty if the vehicle is beyond the initial coverage period. Thus, a seemingly minor update could end up costing thousands in diagnostics and repairs. Additionally, Diagnosing and fixing issues caused by software updates often requires specialized tools that are only available through the manufacturer or authorized service centers. Independent mechanics generally lack access to these tools, making repairs more expensive and time-consuming. In summary, while OTA updates offer significant benefits, they also come with hidden costs. As EVs become more software-dependent, the potential for expensive software-induced repairs increases, impacting the overall cost of ownership more than many new EV owners might expect. Number 2. The hidden costs of charging infrastructure. Charging your EV might appear simple and cost-effective, but it's often more complex and expensive due to issues with public charging infrastructure. As EV demand grows, so does the strain on public charging stations, leading to unexpected costs. Fast chargers can be surprisingly pricey. While home charging is cheaper, not all EV owners have access to it, especially those in apartments or urban areas without private parking. Public fast chargers are often the next option but can be costly, particularly in high-demand areas, with some networks charging by the minute. Slow charging speeds can further inflate costs. Public charging stations can be inconsistent and unreliable, leading to broken chargers, long wait times, or full stations. This can force you to seek pricier alternatives or detour to find a working charger, adding to your costs and wasting time. Frequent use of fast chargers can also speed up battery wear, leading to costly repairs or early replacements, a hidden cost many overlook. In summary, while EV charging might seem straightforward, relying on public infrastructure introduces various costs and challenges that can significantly impact your wallet. Number 1. Real-world costly EV repair stories. Real-life cases vividly demonstrate the high repair costs of EVs. Consider Scott McFigan's Rivian pickup truck. A minor dent beneath the rear tail lamp led to a shocking $22,000 repair bill and over 2.5 months of downtime. What seemed like a small issue turned into a major financial burden. Similarly, a Hyundai Ioniq 5 with a damaged battery cover faced an eye-popping replacement cost of 60,000 Canadian dollars. This high price tag led the insurer to declare the vehicle a total loss, as the battery replacement exceeded the car's value. These cases highlight a broader issue with electric vehicles. The complexity and cost of repairing or replacing EV batteries can turn minor problems into significant financial nightmares. The myth that EVs are cheaper to maintain due to fewer moving parts is debunked by the reality of expensive battery repairs and replacements. In addition to soaring repair costs, insurance premiums for EVs are high, and skilled repair shops are scarce. Before you're tempted by the promise of low maintenance and futuristic tech, consider these examples and be aware of the potential financial impact of owning an EV. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Highway Herald for the latest updates and more deep dives into the world of automobiles. Please leave a comment below to start a conversation. Thank you for watching and see you next time.